Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing the microwave challenge. Okay guys, first thing we are going to be microwaving a cookie. Okay, but it might be like microwaving cookie, just normal. But we're microwaving for 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Oh no guys. Let's get it. Oh, it's charred. Okay. I'll just wait until we can actually touch it. It's charred. Oh my god. Oh, don't touch, don't touch. Oh my god, look. Oh, the chocolate chips are going to be melted. What?
For 5 minutes.
What's on the inside?
That's melted.
They're
not cooked yet. They are. No. They are. Chocolate will burn your mouth out.
I'm gonna eat it. I'll be like, I tried it. It wasn't busting. Oh. What are you gonna be doing? Honey. It's gonna explode.
No, Abby, what are you doing? I have to eat every cookie in the joint.
Oh my god, that is so cool. Dad, when I tried to eat some of the honey.